So today, by the title and from what I have next to me, we're gonna be doing a packing with me video because if you guys didn't know, I don't think you guys do know, but I'm going to Florida next week. It is currently Thursday and I'm going there on Tuesday. So yeah, we're going there for Playlist Orlando. So it's so cool, guys. So yeah, I need to pack. I have OCD, so I have to pack like a week early, but like it's only a couple days, so yeah. I'm gonna basically be packing and I wanted you guys to pack with me, so let's just get into the video. Okay, there's another suitcase in here, but this is for my sister because I'm high maintenance and I need this space. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing, what's going on, what's popping, all that. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Yeah. Hi. Why are your feet wet? Why are your feet wet? Hi. Don't lick me. I don't know where your mouth has been. So basically, it's gonna be warm most of the time. I think it's raining a couple days, so I'm packing shorts for like the beach and stuff. So I'm getting these shorts. Of course, we need some cute sandals for those dinners at night and bathing suits. Bodysuit. I bought these from Ardene's, but they didn't have like the snaps on them, so I literally just bought some from Walmart, the snaps, and then I sewed them on myself. She's a DIY girl or whatever. Yeah, but I have this in black and I have a bodysuit in red as well. So I don't really know what to wear to Playlist, but I have this dress that I might be wearing, and I think I'm gonna wear it with like one of my jean jackets. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna wear for, I think, this Saturday, because Friday it's gonna be raining. I think I'm gonna wear these jeans on Friday because it's supposed to rain with the red bodysuit. I have to wash these jeans still, but I still got like a few days till I go. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna wear this skirt on Sunday. I don't know, I'm still deciding. I might take stuff out of my suitcase before we leave, but I think I'm gonna wear this skirt with this bodysuit on the Sunday. But yeah, that I think is what I'm gonna wear, and then the rest of the days I think I'm gonna wear shorts because I'm not gonna be at Playlist, because Playlist is only from Friday to Sunday. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. For my main sneakers, I have my Vans that I'm gonna be wearing. These are just like the classic black and white Vans. But yeah, I'm gonna be wearing these ones. So yeah. Are you gonna be coming in? You want your toy to come with me? I think that's basically like all I'm gonna pack because I'm staying there for 6 days, and 3 of those days I'm gonna be at Playlist. So yeah, and I'm gonna be doing shopping there as well. So I think that's all I'm gonna pack. Oh, I'm gonna pack my makeup and straightener obviously, but that's not gonna be until like the day of, so I'm not gonna really show that. But yeah, wow, that is going to finish my packing with me video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like me, you should probably subscribe to my channel because we're pretty lit out here. So yeah, and yeah, don't forget to love yourself, you guys, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.